Welcome to the Ask Patrick series. Today's question is by Subin Subair. The question is, what should I do if this section which I'm relying on, where I should have got maximum marks, is actually very tough in the exam? And this has happened a lot of times in the actual CAT. What happens is people rely on verbal section. Okay, I will get a lot of marks in verbal because my content is weak, other section is weak. But they realize that verbal is really tough, they can't solve it. Okay, and because of which, they're not able to, it impacts the DLR and con section, the whole paper goes for toss. So understand one thing, that's what I normally tell people. If you find the paper tough, the paper is tough for everyone, the cutoffs are going to go down for sure. Yes, I know it's a problem if it is a section where you're strong at, but understand, even if the section which is strong at is comes tough, it is sort of good for you because you will find it easier to clear the cutoff, the others may not. So during this instant, what you need to do is give your best shot. Okay, what I know it's a tough section, but give your best shot given the circumstances. Maybe you plan to solve all the questions, but the paper was tough, you left out one RC. Perfectly all right. Okay, fine, do your best. That's what's important. But let not one section affect the other section. That's the biggest mistake people do. I've seen a lot of students who, for whom they are whatever section they thought they would get the maximum marks, they didn't get as many marks, but they did well in the other sections because you are relaxed in the other sections. You're not hopes, so you say, okay, let me try out at least. So you may get one set, or you may get two sets, and that may help you to get more marks. You never know. I've seen this happening because CAT is little unpredictable in terms of how it pans out. So it's very important that you don't give up hope till the whole paper is done. Just do your best in each section, tackle each section separately, and try to maximize the marks in the each section given the circumstance. So when you think of verbal, paper is tough, think of maximizing the marks given the circumstances, the paper is tough, as much as possible. Go to DLR as if the verbal section was not there, try to maximize the marks out there, and same with conf. One section should not affect the other, and that is important for you to understand and help you to score well. I hope that helps. Thank you.